Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design Instagram ads in Photoshop for small business. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, so let's get started the video. Create a new canvas for your Instagram ad. Fill the background with a soft gradient or brand color. Import your product image and remove the background cleanly. Place it top or side for focus. Add bold heading text that highlights the offer. Use pop-ins for clean typography. Insert price tags or discount thickness for attentions. Add company logo and social media icons at the bottom. Use drop shadow to give an element's depth. Apply a slide